All right, guys, so we completed it. I finished the custom, and I really like the way that these look now. I think that these look way better than they did previous to painting the midsole black, as well as this lace swap right here. I personally think the black laces look much cleaner and just more like better put together on this shoe, but leave a comment. What do you guys think? The regular laces that it came with this pair of Ultra Boost, or do you like the black laces that I added on? Just basically I stole the black laces from a different pair of Ultra Boost. If you guys are interested in buying this colorway of Ultra Boost, I will link it in the description. $180 straight off of adidas.com, and there's a ton of them in stock, as well as like 10 other colorways of Ultra Boost right now. But this one personally, I was like, I got to black out this midsole. I think it's gonna look sick. And the lace swap as well. Shout out to those people that left some comments on the other video saying you should lace swap them to black laces. I honestly didn't even think about it till they commented it, and I'm super glad you guys left that comment because I definitely took action and made it happen on this one. It's a simple method to be able to black this out. There's like 5 steps basically, and I'll link in the description all of the products to Angelus's website so you guys can mimic this if you guys are interested. I've blacked out Boost for a couple of years now, and this by far is the best method that I've learned out of like 4 or 5 different methods. This one works really well and it stays. It doesn't chip off from what I've experienced thus far. And my 9317s are the ones that I used this on previously, and they look amazing still. Like there's no wear and tear on the black Boost. I think that this looks good, man. I'm proud of the results and I'm happy. It looks a little bit shiny here, but this is really a dull black. It's just because of the white light that's like right above it over there. But you can see on the on feet section, it doesn't look as shiny. Did this like change your mind on the shoe at all? Like from the original pictures of the original shoe versus this update, do you guys like this better than what Adidas ended up just giving us from the gate? But leave some comments and let me know. Want to see what you guys think about this. So it's awesome for me to be able to actually have the black Boost on this upper, because I think this upper is just super, super nice. And again, if you guys want to repeat this custom, follow along in the video, and then check the links in the description if you guys want to buy the paint products or the shoes. At this time, if you guys want to click any of the other videos on the screen, feel free to do so. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching this custom video. We'll have a good one, and we'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.